Hey guys, I just want to do a quick tutorial about how your Google Classroom is going to be set up. So right now I'm just using Block 1 as an example just to show you, but everybody is going to be set up the same way. So when you log into your Google Classroom, I don't really want you paying attention to the section that says stream, because what you're going to see is everything that I've kind of uploaded or posted so far. And I don't want you to get overwhelmed with all that, and you're also not responsible for all that at one time. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to click on, for you guys, it's actually going to be the middle tab at the top that says classwork. And what I've done is I've organized everything by day. So you only need to pay attention to the material for that particular day. Okay, so for tomorrow, this is our introduction day. So this is just us touching base and then gathering a little bit of information about surveys. So for tomorrow, what you will need to do is there is a video that I would like you to watch. And after that you've watched that video, I want you to go ahead and complete a survey that I have linked. So if you click out of here and you go down to calculator survey, I can see some of you have already turned this in. There's a link that you're going to click here and complete the calculator survey. Okay, and that's all you are responsible for doing for tomorrow. And then after that, every single day it's going to have a title at the top, so you're only focusing on that particular day. And I've kind of designed the lessons in very similar ways. So the first thing that you guys are going to do after tomorrow for your instructional days is there's going to be a video, or sometimes there's actually multiple parts because I can only upload a certain amount of time per video on any new material that I'm going to teach you. So that's the first thing you're going to do, is you're going to watch the videos. Now, I also went ahead for every single day and attached the notes that go along with the video. So you can either follow along as the video is playing, and you can also always use the notes to go back if you're working on the assignment and you just want to go back and look at some more examples. You can have those to access as well. And then every single day you are going to complete some sort of assignment. And I try to do most of them on Google Forms just to keep everything kind of basic and uniform for us. So I see one of you have already turned this in. But there will be a link that you would click here, and then that will bring you to your assignment. And guys, please feel free to use the notes as you complete the assignment. You can watch the video as many times as you need just to kind of learn that new material, and also rely on each other. So I have no issues with you guys working on this in pairs. If you're going to FaceTime somebody, or if you want to get on Google Hangouts and ask your friend for help on certain assignments, please, please, please do that. And just also remember that I'm always here to help you as well. So any questions that you might have, just shoot me an email and I will get back to you fairly quickly with those. Okay, so I just kind of wanted to show you how things were set up. I don't want you to get overwhelmed. You don't have to do every single thing that I posted all in one day. Just pay attention to the day that it is and focus on the things at the bottom that you need to do for that day. Okay, look forward to working with you guys starting tomorrow. Bye.